Hello, we have bought this Dyson PH3A and we have realized one of the issues here is strange noise using the asynchronous mode. So at the moment it is on an asynchronous mode. We can check the modes. Yeah, so here is the button for the mode. So this is off, this is 90, this is 45, this is 90, but this is not asynchronous, this is normal 90, normal 45, and this is 90 using asynchronous mode. So we can see how it looks and the noises. I will leave the camera on it to hear better. So the left side is a little bit more noisy, and if you touch it, it vibrates when it makes these noises. So let me know in comments below if this is normal for the Dyson, this model, or other models maybe the same. We don't know yet, and in advance, thank you.